Here is my E90. I'm gonna change the kidney grills from this to this. Alright, first things first. Let's pop the bonnet up. Unscrew the 6 T25 screws. Here I have taken the old grill. Now is the time to clean any dust on the area before fitting the new trim. New trims can put in place now, align with little holes and press it down gently. You can do the same process at the other side. Now you can tighten the screws underneath the trim. To get these grills out, you need to remove these leather strips. Use the socket T30. Remove the 4 screws on top of the front bumper. That way you will gain access to back of the grill. Here you can see the plastic clips holding the grill, which needs to be pushed out. These are pretty tight, so you will need flat-headed screwdriver to push them out. It's time to clean any dirt before installing the new grille. Place the new grille, ensuring that all clips are aligned with clips holes. Press the grille from each corner firmly until you hear the click noise. Make sure grille firmly fitted to the bumper.